closer to Kaliraya. And we're gonna go camping and come back to camp today.
You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you're leaving home, I hate it, but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet, when I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. You're taking off to Mexico, to Paris, and I know you long for more. I'm waiting for you all along. I wanna see the pictures on your phone. The sun goes down and the sun comes up. I wake up slow, I wonder where you've gone. You left the ground, oh, a while ago. I'm losing every sense of time. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. I wanna feel the warmth of your skin. All I want is you here with me. Don't wanna fall asleep on my own. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler.
Early this morning, woke up holding my head, hearing my heartbeat all night long. Shades of this motel keeping me in bed, reading the news, just trying to stay strong. I need to just get up, take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day. Feel so proud, screaming out loud. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. I used to feel sad, now I'm satisfied. I'd fall to pieces, now it's peace of mind. The words of my mother speak the truth. She always said, son, you'll make it through. I need to just get up and take a deep breath, keep it together, 'cause it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day. Sun on my face, feeling okay. Don't let it get away, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day.
this?
No.
It's a devil fruit.
It's not a devil fruit. Maignorante kayo. Lansones ito eh. You want to eat? You want to try?
It's sweet. It's juice added.
And it's
It's
gonna taste.
raspberry.
And it's gonna taste bitter if you keep doing that. You have to clean.
Just put everything in your mouth and then try to squeeze it and then swallow.